Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome to another detailed mobile review video. Today, we will talk about the Honor Magic 7 Pro. This flagship smartphone is making waves in the market with its cutting-edge specifications and features. In this video, we will discuss every feature of the Honor Magic 7 Pro in detail, including its display, camera, battery, chipset, and much more. So make sure to watch the video till the end, and if you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's start with its build and design. The Honor Magic 7 Pro features Rhino glass on both the front and back panels, making it highly durable. The phone is IP60H, IP69 tin water resistant, meaning it's well protected against water and dust. It weighs just 223 grams and has a thickness of 8.8 millimeters, making it comfortable to hold. The fingerprint sensor is under display ultrasonic, which is fast and accurate. The phone is available in black, gray, and blue colors, all of which look premium and classy. The phone comes with a 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display that supports Dolby Vision and HDR. Its brightness reaches 1600 nits HBM and 5000 nits peak brightness, making it perfect for outdoor usage. The display's 120 Hz refresh rate. The Honor Magic 7 Pro boasts a very powerful battery. It features a SiC 5850 mAh battery. For charging, you get 100-watt wired, 80 watts wireless, and 5-watt reverse wired charging. Now let's talk about the camera setup, which is the most impressive feature of this phone. Main camera. The Honor Magic 7 Pro is equipped with a triple camera setup, a 50 megapixel wide lens with OIS and dual pixel PDF support, a 200 megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and OIS, a 50 megapixel ultra wide lens with a 122-degree field of view. The camera supports 4K video recording and 10-bit video HDR, which is perfect for professional-grade photography and videography. The selfie camera is equally impressive. It includes a 50 megapixel wide lens along with a TOF 3D sensor, which is used for biometrics and depth sensing. The selfie camera supports 4K video recording and gyro EIS. The Honor Magic 7 Pro is powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite 3nm chipset, known for its high performance and power efficiency. The Adreno 830 GPU flawlessly handles gaming and graphics-intensive tasks. The operating system is Android 15 combined with Magic OS 9, which is user-friendly and feature-packed. Storage and RAM. The storage and RAM options are also very impressive. You get options like 256GB with 12GB RAM, 512GB with 16GB RAM, and 1TB with 16GB RAM. The phone features UFS 4.0 storage, ensuring fast data transfer and app loading speeds. Connectivity options include NFC, infrared port, USB Type-C 3.2, OTG, and DisplayPort 1.2. The sound system includes large amplitude stereo speakers, delivering crystal clear and loud audio. However, it lacks a 3.5mm headphone jack, which might be a drawback for some users. If you like this review of the Honor Magic 7 Pro, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share your feedback in the comment section. See you in the next review. Until then, Allah Hafiz.